Let's look at a knife. PoiKilo. Our guy Matt found them at Blade West Atlanta and was impressed. So let's unbox. Oh, so pretty. Great big giant package. This is the PM1. This is the kind of upgraded top of the line pretty boy. Believe this blade is the Dao, but don't quote me 100% on that yet. Check comments in case I get it wrong. ×1. Oh, that's got some pretty light to it. So to drop, and there you go. And there you go. Little size comparison for you. We'll start with the ruler because, you know, numbers. Here's your blade, your handle. But really, you do this by comparing to other stuff. So let's compare it to, this is our Machinewise limited edition Tottori with our laser pattern on there, serialized 1 to 10. So that gives you kind of a idea, pivot to pivot, blade to blade length. And then we'll do a Ceroni Balireaper. Again, try to match up pivot to pivot. Narrowness on there. Let's go for a Serif. Narrower at the pivots and narrower where the handles come together. Yeah, lengthwise. And a lot of you folks know your good old Squid, so this is a nice little baseline for people to be able to establish like how this would be and similar to something that they have flipped or may actually own. So again, narrower. So wider at the grip here. That faceted hardware is fascinating, faceted hardware. Inlays. Beautiful one solid chunk. I like the ring. I'm not going to do any crazy flipping with this because we have a customer that wants this puppy, so I don't want to take a chance on doing anything with it, but I'll see if I can get him to do a little flipping video for you. So look for more information from PoiKilo. They're doing most of their stuff on Instagram. Haven't seen a website or a lot of details, but they seem to be, the Orca, their folder, won some awards at Blade West, so I think that's going to bring them some notoriety. So the PM1, so pretty. Thanks.